This is Introduction to
Breathe In by Ariana Grande.
Let's go.
Some days things just take way too much of my energy. I look up and the whole room's spinning. You take my cares away. I get so overcomplicate. People tell me to medicate. Feel my blood running, sweat the sky's falling.
Okay, good. So now explain how you do the introduction, okay?
Okay.
Slowly.
So it's one round of, with the right hand, it's one round of, wait, I guess not one round, 4 rounds.
F sharp D. F sharp D. Okay, so you start on F sharp, D, A, and then E, D, C sharp, D, E, and then again. So this is going to be our introduction in D major. The original introduction is A flat major, so it's C, A flat, E, and then B flat, A flat, G. But we are doing it in D major, so left hand going to be G minor, 7, incomplete. And we're going to add one tiny note on the top. That was F sharp.